Good morning, viewers. My name is Candra Nur Indrawan, my student ID 055. Here, I want to read about Volkswagen's peace offering. As the world's largest automaker, Volkswagen in some ways better resembles an army or a country than a mere corporation. Its flagship factory in Volkswagen, Germany, in a city built from scratch by the Nazis for the express purpose of manufacturing vast numbers of automobiles, spreads over an expanse the size of Monaco and produces more than vehicles every day. It is electrified by not one but two Volkswagen coal plants. It is fed by a 3% Volkswagen catering by a brigade, a sausage-making operation so comprehensive it sells to supermarkets. Here and at more than 100 other factories worldwide, the company's 12 brands make 300 models in mil worldwide. The company's of color and trim combination, employing more than 100,000 people who generates billion in annual revenue. It's hard to imagine that such a robust corporate edifice could ever be at risk of collapse, as it was less than 3 years ago, when Volkswagen AG was consumed by one of the largest scandals in automotive history. The revelations of systematic effort to cheat on emission tests. Employees wrote software that made diesel cars appear cleaner than they were, brought the company to its knees. Indeed, the career of its long-standing chief executive officer and shattered 70 years reputation for engineering-led competence. For a time, it looked like Volkswagen might not survive. At least not recognizably, a prospect so alarming, and Germany that Chancellor Angela Merkel stepped in to do damage control for what is arguable and country's most important industrial giant. And yet today, 30 billion in compensation and repair costs and 11 million affected vehicles. Later, Volkswagen is improbably back on the offensive. Last year, the Volkswagen portfolio of brands, including Audi, Porsche, and Bentley, comfortably defended its global sales crown from a challenge by arch-rival Toyota, in large part because revenue is soaring in China. Volkswagen's profits and shares have gradually recovered to pre-catastrophe levels. It's even growing again in the US, a market its namesake brand considered abandoning. Consumers' willingness to forgive Volkswagen is remarkable, given the enormity of its wrongdoing. Scientists at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology estimated the extra pollution generated by its cars will eventually contribute to more than 1,200 premature deaths, emboldened by this unexpectedly rapid rehabilitation. CEO Marcin Miller, a Volkswagen driver who received a battlefield promotion from running Porsche when the crisis claimed this procedure, is attempting to reimagine the company for the electric vehicle age. Volkswagen last year embarked on the fourth largest program of electrification in the global car industry, pledging to spend 20 billion until 25 billion to develop battery-powered or hybrid variants of every one of its models by Muller goes into to make EVs currently concentrate at the high end of the market, cheap and commonplace, expired by Volkswagen on 19,060 Beetle, which was instrumental in bringing mass market driving to postal Europe. Thank you, and I am Candra Nur Indrawan.